Hi, this is Renee with Pretty Things, and today I am participating in a collaboration for Sticky Tuesday, and the hosts are Kiki's DIYs and Deco Easy with Dyanne and Janny, and so they've asked us to make something using glue, or be sure we use glue, I believe, in our DIY. Now, folks, be sure you check out those channels for Deco Easy and Kiki's DIY, and I will have their information linked in my description box, as well as the playlist. Now, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. As I mentioned, I am going to be making a heart-shaped candle, so I have my mold here, that are my vase here, my dish here that I'm going to be using, and I'm using the 100% natural palm wax, and I've already have melted my wax in a double boiler. So I'm going to show you how I wick that. Again, I'm using these 3-inch small natural candle wicks by Country Lane. Now you can use a wick bowl, but my dish is a little too large to use that. But if you're making like a candle in a jar, then, as most people do, then you can use those to hold your wick in place. And I will be using my glue on the bottom here to hold or to secure the wick in my dish. So I'm placing a little bit of glue at the bottom of my wick, and I'm going to place that in the dish and secure that. And I'm going to go ahead and pour my wax. I've just melted it in like a pot that I've been using for making candles. You can buy those large metal pitchers, but I'm trying to save a little money, so I'm just going to be using this today. So I'm going to go ahead and pour. And I've allowed my wax to cool also. I don't know if I have enough to make 2, but I did melt about 2.5 cups of the wax. And I'm going to stop there. And I'm going to allow this to set for a while. But I noticed that my wick is standing nicely, but now sometimes if you're using like a small jar, you're using a small jar now, you might need to, secure that using this, like a candle wick holder. I believe it's called a candle bowl. Now this is just my second time trying this. So it's called bowing the wick. So again, you're going to take a wick. I have my wick. Place a little glue on the bottom of that. Oh, shouldn't have done that over my candle, should I? But I'm placing, placing my wick into my container there. And I probably just have enough to make another small candle. I won't have enough to make another large one. So I'm going to take the bowl holder and place that over that to kind of secure that. And I'll move it this way so you can see this set up here. So this is holding my candle in place. And I'm going to pour. Oh, wow, my wax. Have a little something in there, but I'm not going to worry about. Maybe it's just somewhere it didn't melt well. And that's just about all of my wax there. And I'm going to let that sit for a while. But I did make some candles the other day. I forgot to show you guys that my fragrance here. This is the fragrance that I've used. It is, I didn't mention that. Okay. It is a Country Lane sugar cookie fragrance. So I made some candles, several days ago. That's one I made there. And this beautiful jar I got from Hobby Lobby. It's just as the one I'm making here. And I also made a candle. And this beautiful teacup here. Just trying to lift that so we can see that. So I made a candle in that. So I just had it lying around. So I have a small candle in that. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a while, and we'll be back to see how that hardens. My candles are starting to harden just a little bit, and I used a pencil here and this one to help stabilize the wick just a little bit. But I know it's going to take, a few hours for it to harden completely. But I want to thank Kiki's DIY and the host at Deco Easy for offering this open invite for Sticky Tuesday, folks. Thanks for watching my video, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.